After 3 months heated debate over Arizona's new immigration law, it's still too early to decide what the law really means to the United States of America. With just hours to go before the nation's most controversial law takes into effect, questions regarding the legitimacy of the law still remain, as a U.S. District Court judge chose not to rule on 7 lawsuits brought against the new law. Federal District Court Judge Susan Bolton said she felt no obligations to rule on any of these cases before the law really goes into effect on July the 29th, and even after that, she said she could still block part of the law enforcement.
The fate of millions of migrants is under one judge, and we're hoping that she does the right decision.
I hear the judge is fair and she's thorough and she is unafraid to do the right thing. So I'm hoping that she doesn't bend under pressure.
Since Arizona Governor Jim Brewer signed the law in April, the controversies it has brought never cease. The law, which requires police officers in the state to question people about their status if they have been detained for another reason or there's a compelling reason to suspect them, and to those who hire and traffic illegal workers, rule also applies. Obviously, the law does not just happen at legislative and judiciary level. Civic involvement also added new heat to the pot. Several civil rights groups argue that the law would very likely to induct racial profiling to the state. At the street level, large-scale protests and demonstrations are expected on the first day of law enforcement, though the state officials said they are already prepared. And whether the law will lead to some bigger change in future legal environment and any law's constitutionality, we have to wait for months and even years. Kevin Wang, 24 Hour News 8.